Hey there! Oh, fuck. It's funny, because my awesome Canon 70D recognizes my face, has tracking on it, but it does not recognize Deadpool at all. No, it does not recognize Deadpool. It's me! This is my face! What the fuck? Yeah, that's me. This is Deadpool. Oh, that's why they can't see Deadpool. Hi there. I'm pretty sure this is not gonna focus on my face, because Canon does not recognize Deadpool. I just got myself a Canon, take 3. I just got myself a MacBook Pro 2016. I'm so excited to have it. I just got the box today, so I'm gonna try to open it. Sure it is from Apple. I got it from Apple. They just sent me the USB-C stuffs. Where's my MacBook? Where's my MacBook? This is me, really. Just got the USB-C adapter. It's blown out. Shit. Yeah, I got the USB-C adapter for the new MacBook. Oh, ouch. And yeah, this one's here. How do you open this? So, oops. Yeah, they're the ones, the dongles that you connect with a USB. I'm gonna need this. And since I do same-day edits and I only use my in-house projector, which is not HDMI, so I just got this one here still from Apple. It's the VGA connector with a USB port and the pass-through USB-C. Okay, what else do I have here? So I got... I'm gonna need my knife. Oh, my knife's here. Ooh, I love this knife. Okay. Oops, tough. This one here's the Belkin. 3 feet? What the fuck? 3 feet? What the fuck? I just need a short one. Fuck. Well, it's gonna work for now. So it goes to the USB-C directly to your USB, USB thing. Anyway, I got 2 of them. I'm just gonna keep the one. Okay, so that's all we have today. Gotta get the rubbish before it comes. Hey Aldin, you might need one.